Are you guys ready to get scared? Are you really ready to get scared? We are playing a horror game, not a new one that I've seen people play, and I want to play it for myself. I think it's a pretty short indie horror game called Contemp. Super excited to play. And do I even need to say this, but grab your snack, grab your cat or your pet, whichever one you have. If you got a little frog, if you're one of the weirdos who has like tarantulas in your house, you do you. Go grab that pet, you know, grab a snack, put in some headphones, okay? Turn them up. We're gonna do this right, alright? We're gonna dive right in. And this was made in Unreal Engine, so you know that, yeah, the graphics are top tier, S tier. Okay. Creepy old house for us to just wander around in. Oh, the wind chimes. That takes me back. I grew up in Ohio, so everyone had little houses with wind chimes. It's locked. This reminds me of... Oh, I think there's a little shed. This reminds me of Resident Evil 7 when they're out in the bayou. And everyone has those wraparound porches. Can I run? No, cannot run. Which is good, because it means nothing's probably gonna chase us. Okay, oh. I got a key. I'm guessing that's for the front door. Oh, I can turn my flashlight. No inventory. Okay. What are those? Weird. I'm like checking out other tools. I don't really know why, but okay. Anyways, let's see if this key works. If not, then I don't really know. Oh, yay, it worked. If you notice the camera, it's like I'm breathing. No lights? Of course not. Oh gosh, this just got real intense. For some reason, the outside atmosphere was kind of soothing. Okay. Now, I don't think this is like a PT style, like it wraps. The creaking. Where it's like a looping game. I really don't know anything about it. Phone. She's pretty. They had such class in that time. They just looked so classy. Alright, if there's any demons here, can you just show yourself now? In a very subtle way, so I know you're here. Please don't pop out at me. It is so loud. If you do not have your headphones up, you are doing this completely wrong. Actually, I'm gonna turn mine up even more. It's so loud. Oh my gosh. So creepy. Can't open that door. Oh good, there's an upstairs. Great. What even is that? Is that a back door? I don't know. Ugh. Those roaches. They're not even scared of my flashlight. Bags of trash, I guess. Ooh, there's so many bugs. Someone needs to deep clean their apartment, or deep clean this home. It is so quiet. Okay. What the hell was that? I just got chills. Okay. I don't know what's going on, but... Okay. We turned the power back on. This is not even scary. It's just a house. Bruh. It's just a dirty old house in the country. The graphics look really good. Okay. Man, this place is dilapidated. Okay. No men. I get that. I get that. Whatever he did, probably... You're probably justified in crossing him out. Not that I hate men, but, you know, sometimes they push us too far. The returner? I don't know.
Could leave parts of your body broken. Karen, tell us about it. Now, I've never tried it myself. I'm really surprised to hear that. Very surprised. But I'm told it's not easy to spin around on your head. And health professionals say it may not be safe either. They're seeing some injury.
Okay, we put in a tape and yet it started playing, like, the news. I have no idea. Okay. Ugh. Where is the phone at? Oh. Hello? Who is breathing? Who is breathing so damn loud? Oof, I have chills on my entire body. Okay, please hang that shit up. I can't hang it up once it's on. Okay. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. It's not so bad. Oh, I thought it was E, but I think it's actually click. Can I not open this one? Okay. No, I don't want to listen to that.
There's an aching deep inside that no longer I can hide, and it's telling me once more it's time to roam. But I cannot tell when I'll be coming home.
Just...
Well, see, there's the North Star guiding me, and a light on the horizon showing where I long to be. I travel on.
Is it this? No, it's a tape. It's this thingy. Okay, it turned off. The graphics are so good. A little too good. Oh, it just loops around. Okay. Little storage closet. What is happening? It's occupied. I'm taking a massive shit in this room. Just kidding. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I was gonna say, if there's someone in that bed. That phone's gonna ring, I bet. Well. Okay. Let's go back around. Ah. Great. That's honestly what I was thinking, is I would love to check out the attic on this place. Gah. Someone is vaping? Smoking a bowl? That's chill. Playing with leather? Shit. Oh gosh. I am so scared. Oh shit. Well guys, that was Contemp. Holy crap. I held in my breath for like the last minute of the game. That was so good. I don't know if it's just the Unreal Engine just made that amazing or if it was like the actual game. I think it was a little bit of both, but whew, I would love a full game. Whoever made this, please make a full game. This is so good. The atmosphere is intense, and I don't know why, but the like dilapidated house, like it makes it creepier because it's like not taken care of. And so good. 10 out of 10. Love it. If you guys play it, let me know. That was super fun. Anyways, thanks so much for watching and stopping by. I appreciate your support so much. If you like this kind of gameplay, subscribe to my channel for more spooky games like this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!